Welcome to this video tutorial. In this lesson, we want to construct a line that will be parallel to another line. Assuming we draw a line of 80 mm. So let's name it line A and B. Line B, which is 80 mm. So we want to raise the parallel line such that it is 40 mm to line AB. So which means our compass will be 40 mm. So we'll measure a radius of 40 mm. 40 mm is equivalent to 40 centimeter. You make an arc above it. Can be as many points as you like. So none of the arcs is left alone. No one is going above the ruler and no one is below the ruler. Then you draw the line. This line is automatically parallel to line AB that we've drawn. Then we can name this one as maybe A prime. So we've successfully make a parallel line to a given line.